So, what are the skills that a content writer needs? It's very important for me to explain this to you, because if you do not have these skills, this is something that you're going to focus on and start developing slowly but steadily. ठीक है? First, adaptability. Please understand, there are variety of styles of writing you will be learning throughout. How to write for the website is very different from how you write for a blog. Again, how you write for a blog is extremely different from how you write for the landing page, for the email, for the headlines, etc. So you need to adapt. The more styles you can learn and the more quickly you can adapt yourself, the more valuable you become as a content writer. Whether as a freelancer you're valuable, or for a company you're valuable because you are versatile. You can adapt to any format, any style of writing. So you first need to become adaptability is the first skill that you need. Second, organizational skills. Please understand, you need to include organization in your schedule. You can either, today all of us have mobiles, keep a calendar, know your deadlines. Today every smartphone has an app which can help you with it. So organizational skills are a must, especially when you grow into being a more mature content writer and you have many more clients. You need to organize and know your deadlines, because if you cannot keep your word, very soon your clients will be gone. Number 3, ability to get focused. You'll say, ma'am, how do I do that? Let me just adjust my screen. So the ability to get focused is, please understand, a lot of times you sit on the computer, open your project that you're supposed to deliver, and you will get distracted. You'll say, ma'am, why would I get distracted? Because you'll realize that you do a lot of research when you sit down to write. And when you're doing that research, it's a good possibility that you'll get distracted. So always remember, take one task at a time, focus on that task, and restrict yourself from getting distracted. Number 4, strong research skills. Please understand, today you have Google with you. Whenever you're writing content, there will be times when you'll be asked to put in the facts. You'll be researching that company, you'll be researching similar articles, you'll be repurposing content, at times you'll be curating content. So at that stage, strong research skills are a must. And while you do research, you have something called keyword research as well. So you need to have strong research skills. The ability to meet deadlines. This obviously is hand in hand with your ability to get focused, to get organized. So always remember, meet your deadlines. Solid understanding of SEO. One of the skills that you will require as a content writer is to understand SEO perfectly. A solid understanding. Look at the words I've used. Solid understanding. Why are we saying that? Because what good is content if it cannot rank? What good is content if it cannot be found? Please understand, even when you create hashtags, it is your keyword research which helps you put out relevant keywords. Whether it's your hashtags, your titles, your headlines, your social media post, your product descriptions, anything. A good understanding of SEO is very important. Communication. I will be giving you towards the end a format, what questions to ask your client, how to interact, what is the templates when you're writing your content. All of that will help you communicate with your client more effectively so that there is no scope for miscommunication. Most of the times your client is unhappy because you have not asked him the right questions, the information that you require to start writing your article or the content that he is looking for. So communication is a very important skill. Last but not the least, editing. Once you have written your work, you must acquire good skills for editing and removing the fluff. So let's go on to the next topic, which says don't forget the 4 C's of content writing.